Hello, everyone. Happy, how you doing? So today we have an exciting live session for you. I hope you're all doing well. It's good to see you again on these live sessions. Today we're talking about custom domain configuration in DotcomPal. A lot of people requested this, so we're going to show you how to do it today. So get excited. And this is going to help you build your business, sell your products, grow your business because you have your custom domain. Wouldn't you like to go to your own website instead of a subdomain? Even with DotcomPal, you get your free subdomain so you can brand your identity. But if you want to go a step further and take it to your own domain, we're going to show you how to do that. So everyone, I'm Kareem with Team DotcomPal, your all-in-one solution to build, grow, sell, and manage from one place. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit subscribe, hit the like button, hit that notification bell to know when we go live. And leave me a comment down below if you have any questions about this topic or how to grow your business. Also, if you're on Facebook, give me a like and give me a share. I want to introduce my awesome co-host, Manish. He'll be showing you how to do this today and also giving you hints and tips.
Thank you, Kareem, for this awesome start for this session. And hello, everyone. I am Manish from Team.com.pal. And today we are going to discuss a very important and amazing feature of .com.pal, that is custom domain configuration. We all know that when you create an account on .com.pal, create a business with .com.pal, you get a free subdomain over there, something like your business name .compal.com. And as a branding perspective, and there are several other technical aspects as well. Uh, Most of us wants to run the marketing campaigns created with .compal on their own domain. And here we call it custom domain. And absolutely, you can configure your own domain with .compal, and all your websites, landing pages, pop-ups, videos, your business files will be showcased or shifted, or I can say will be available online on internet on your own domain. That could be like Manish, www.manish.com, www.kareem.com. Any domain you own, you can configure with .compal. And friends, I'm sure, I believe, and I promise you as well, that after this session, after watching this video, you will not face any issue while configuring your domain with .compal. So now, why custom domain is important, why you should configure it in .compal, because first of all, it helps you to build the brand reputation you are promoting, you are selling, you are advertising with the help of .compal marketing campaigns. Another thing is, we always recommend to configure the custom domain in .compal if you are going to plan your marketing with social media platforms. It will help you to boost your marketing campaigns over there. Also, custom domain helps you for the SEO perspective. If we talk about to rank your campaigns on Google, on Bing, on Yahoo, on several other search engine platforms, so it helps in search engine optimization as well. And guys, it's really simple, just 3 or 4 steps. No any technical thing required. Just follow the process I'm going to show you in this video, and you will be able to configure your custom domain in .compal without any hassle. So, to apply custom domain in .compal, first of all, you need a domain. No hosting, nothing at all, just a domain you need. And there are several providers, domain providers there, like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Hostinger, and several others are there. Average cost of a domain, if we talk about, that is around $10 to $15 per year. So now, if you have purchased a domain, let me show you how you can configure it with .compal. I'm going to share my screen with you. And here we are. Kareem, I'm sure that my screen is visible.
It should be now, yes.
Perfect. This is the business I have created to showcase this feature to all of you, that is Video Master. And now I'm going to show you where you need to configure, or where you need to go, or which area of DotcomPal you need to access to configure custom domain. This is here business settings, and now go to channels. And here we are. When you purchase a domain from any domain provider, you get credentials to access member area where you can manage few settings about the domain you have purchased. So this is the members area for videomaster.ml I have purchased, or I get from Freenom. And this panel could be different for different domain providers, but the options are almost similar for every domain provider, every platform. And you just need to find out the DNS settings in your domain providers panel. So here uh, you can see the manage free non DNS. This is the place where we will put uh, code of two lines, just two codes of single line, and I'm going to show you what kind of these codes are. So you can see here we can type the name, we can select the type. The TTL value should be 3600, 3600. If it is not, I recommend you, or I suggest you to change the value to 3600 and the target. Where we will get these details in .compal custom domain settings, business settings, then channels, then custom domain, and we are here. Now, we need to enter the domain over here, that is videomaster.ml. One thing is here which should be noted by you, I suggest you that it should be in this form only. If you type videomaster.ml, it will not accept. If you type anything else, it will not accept. So it should be like www.videomaster.ml. Let me explain you further as well. If you have a subdomain of your parent domain, like let's take an example. This is the domain www.videomaster.ml. If I create a subdomain on my parent domain, we call it parent domain. So that could be like manish.videomaster.ml, or peter.videomaster.ml, or services.videomaster.ml. So in that case, you need to remove www and type the subdomain only, like services.videomaster.ml. But in this case, we are using the parent domain. So we will type it like www.videomaster.ml. Now, this is the time to request for CNAME, the single line code I mentioned earlier. And the algorithm is going on, CNAME added successfully, and here is the detail. The name, we need name, and the value is the target. So I'm copying this from here, the name, pasted over there, copying the value, pasted over there. Now you can see these are CNAME details, so the type should be CNAME. Value we have discussed. Clicking on Save Changes, and you can see record added successfully. Now, record has been added, but there is a technical term we call, that is DNS propagation, because these changes, this custom domain is going to appear worldwide. So there are several servers, internet authorities. So it might take time to propagate that thing. It could take like 2 minutes to 24 hours. The maximum time is 24 hours. And during that period, you need to check like multiple times this pending validation. If you click on refresh, if the DNS has been propagated, it will show success over here. So we can see we need to try multiple times. Sometime it gets success in just 2 or 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Sometime it takes to 24 hours. Once it gets success, you will get another button over here, like we have seen for this request for CNAME button. That button will call itself a request for distribution or distribution code. So when you click on that, you will again get these two values which you need to copy from there and add over it. Add another CNAME record, like the name, the type will be CNAME and the target. Once you fill, click on save and it's done. Your custom domain has been configured after that. It seems at this time it's taking some time. So, as I said, it's a technical thing. Nobody have control on it. It's automatic process. It totally depends on the internet authorities and the server DNS propagation, the algorithm it goes with, and it will show success over there. Then we click on the distribution button. We get the name and value over there and paste it over there in the domain providers panel, and it's done. After that, you need to set the home page for your .compal account. It could be a video page, it could be a landing page, it could be a website page, it could be a business file page, because .compal creates a page for all your campaigns except the pop-ups and bars. So let's say I select video, then I want to showcase as a homepage like my video channel, the playlist if I have created any, or any specific video. If I click on a specific video, it shows the list of the videos I have created over here. If I have selected the video channel, obviously it's one channel for a business, but playlist uh, maybe multiple. So I have created these playlists over there. I can select any of these and it will show up as a home page. If you are going to create a website with .compal, I suggest you to keep the home page as your website's home page. Website and the home page of my website, that is home, and click on save, and the home page will be settled down over there. So whenever anyone from like around the world type www.videomaster.ml and hit enter button on his keyboard, will show the page or the website page I have created over there. That is www.videomaster.compal.com/home. So that will be redirected automatically at backend www.videomaster.ml. So this was the process to configure custom domain. Let me check again if it's propagated. It's not, unfortunately. It's taking time today. Usually it's not. It doesn't take this much of time. But as the maximum time limit is 24 hours, so we can't say anything about it. So this was the simple process you can follow at your end to configure a custom domain. And in case you face any issues, you can put your question, your query, your issue in the comment box, or you can contact us anytime on our support desk, that is www.compal or www.support.compal.com. Or you can, if you are a premium member of DotcomPal, the founding member of DotcomPal, you can call us the number, the toll-free number we have provided you, especially for the premium members. And over chat, this help section, this help button, we're available 24 by 7 with our experts to help you anytime you need. So, Kareem, this took this is taking time for to getting success over there, but the process I tried to explain as far as per my information. If you want to add something to it, uh, that would be great.
Well, thank you, Manish, for an amazing presentation. A really, really good job. So yeah, I'll just add one thing. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here, everyone, just to give you a little glimpse. So as you can see my screen here, I got my business, Rockstar Video Marketing, and you can see all of my information here. Now, as Manish said, it's going to take some time to propagate. So if it doesn't happen instantly, don't freak out or anything. Don't get worried. We always have, support.com.pal. You can also go up here to help. That will bring you to the help desk. You can ask questions. And I know it's a technical process. So if there is any issues, please consult the help desk, consult us. Let us know what is going on. And Manish is very, very helpful. And Shirag is very, very helpful with that. They'll answer all your questions. They'll help you with all of the support. You can see a custom domain here. You'll see that it's propagating. It's going to be different. Take note, it's going to be different on every hosting. Everybody's hosting looks a little bit different generally. So you're going to have to navigate, see where to enter this. You're going to want to enter your name, value, and then after that propagates, as Manish was showing, you just want to enter this again, copy and paste this. As you can see the copy and paste buttons, it's simply copy and paste. And don't hesitate to also reach out to your hosting. Make sure that you can find where to put this in and reach out to us if there's any issues with it propagating. So with that being said, do we have any questions, comments, thoughts, anything in the chat box? If you're watching on YouTube and Facebook, please leave a comment below if you have any questions or just anything that you need to know to grow your business about custom domains.
One more thing I would like to add over here, that if you want us to create as or do a session on any particular topic you want, you can put that in comment box, and we will try our best to do that session as soon as possible.
Yes. And that's one thing I've done. Nate Boyd and other people have requested sessions, and we know what you guys are having trouble with, any questions, any queries, like, okay, this isn't, I don't understand this particular subject. If you put it in the comments below, if you're watching on Facebook and YouTube, we can address that. And not only that, but we can help you understand it so you can grow your business. Because we can't grow DotcomPal if your business doesn't grow. So any questions or comments, leave them in the comment box below on Facebook and YouTube. And don't worry, if we're offline and you see this video, you still have the opportunity to do it. Just leave it there, and our awesome support team, Manish and Shirag, will address it because we're here to help you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so thank you so much for being here. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, then go to DotcomPal.com and click Get Started for free. You can get literally $100 a month service for free. The autoresponder, the websites, the landing pages for free. That's super exciting. Now, as you're working in DotcomPal, you connect your own domain, as Manisha showed you. You start building landing pages, more websites, getting your business going. You're going to want to upgrade to get the best out of DotcomPal. And now you can do it for a one-time fee. You can go pro, and as pro, you get unlimited websites, landing pages, all of the amazing features we just showed you. You can connect this to your website and a couple of amazing quick start bonuses. So if you've been with us, it's time to go pro. Grow your business, not your bill. Now, if you're not with us and you're seeing this for the first time or a couple times, that's fine. Now's the time to get DotcomPal for free. Get a $100 a month service, 3 clicks to get started, no credit card, no payment asked. get unlimited leads, contacts, get started with your websites and connect them to your custom domain. Get everything you need to get started with your online business for free. $100 a month service for free, everyone. Isn't that exciting? So at this time, I want to thank all of you guys for being here. I want to thank my amazing co-host Manish and the awesome support team at DotcomPal for always helping, for always answering questions and being there to support our team.
And sorry to interrupt you, Kareem, in between. As I was continuously checking the CNAME DNS propagation, it gets success. So I think it would be great that if you can show the distribution part as well. Uh,
Sure. You want to
so
share
I'll
your
just,
screen?
yes, I'm going to share my screen.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, it did propagate. As you see, it's very fast. It does take a second though, because it's dependent on hosting as well.
You
So
can
here we
see that we got the success message over here, and the create distribution button is here. So we need to click it, and the name is www. So it's here, it's CNAME, and the value has been copied from there, and click on save changes. Record added successfully, and the process is done. This is just a two-step process, very simple, no coding, no technical knowledge required, just copy and pasting, and it's done. So the domain has been configured, and we can check it as well. I'm not sure, because sometimes it's take 5 to 10 minutes, but let's see if it works. So we did this, and now if I type www.videomaster.ml, yeah. So the records has been added, but the distribution code again might take 2 minutes to 24 hours, but the process is complete and nothing to do anymore to configure a custom domain. So this was just this part was remaining at that time because of DNS propagation. Now it's done, and I think I was able to explain the complete process now.
Yeah, thank you, Manish, and thank you for showing that so everybody can see. Yeah, it's a two-step process. You enter your domain, you copy the information. Everybody's hosting is going to be different, so definitely consult your hosting support if you're confused, and consult us. We can also help you as well. You're going to put those two in. You're going to wait for it to propagate. As you've seen, it can take 2 minutes. The maximum it can take is 24 hours. So just be patient. Don't freak out. It is doable. And then just take some time after, a certain period of time, maybe 20, 30 minutes, go in and check it. Go ahead and click create distribution, and you're good to go. And it's just that simple. So everyone, I want to thank all of you for being here on YouTube and on Facebook. I want to thank you for all your participation. You make DotcomPal, because we can't grow if you don't grow your business. If you don't grow your business, we don't grow DotcomPal. So it makes all the difference that you're here. You can have the best product in the world, but without support, without information, it doesn't help. So I want to thank Manish and Chirag for their awesome job. I want to thank also everybody else for the content, for what they're doing, and all of you guys, thank you so much for being here. I'm Kareem with Team.com, Keep growing, keep building, and I will see you in the next session. Take it easy, guys.